Good morning, YouTube. Well, today I am a little over 20 miles outside of Tombstone, Arizona at the Whitewater Wildlife Refuge where the sandhill cranes, or a large portion of them, winter. So it's getting on noon. They've been off feeding, having brunch all morning, and they are about to come back in. So what you see out there right now, if you can see them, are just the beginnings. So we'll hang around a little bit and I'll show you some footage I'm shooting of them coming in.
I guess they are so far away, it looks like so tiny. Look at them. How tiny. Oh, it's pretty awesome.
So this area is winter home to about 2/3 of the entire population of sandhill cranes. So you're looking at 20,000 cranes.
Well, some flew across, others walked across. That's really weird.
No, they're a very rare color. They're almost never brown. And person is talking about them.
Isn't that funny? It's almost like they're fording the stream or something.
So every morning before dawn, and I've tried to catch them, I've been here for a couple of days so far, and they're gone by 6:30, which is an hour before the sunrise. They take off, go off way over by the mountains, way off, for feeding, they feed on a lot of agricultural crops. So supposedly a lot of corn, but I don't see a lot of corn around, so I'm sure they're finding something. But they come back every day. They come back here between 11 and 1, right around noonish. Like when the intro, there was nothing here. That was just as they were starting to come in. So, well, that just about finishes my my visit here to Whitewater Wildlife Refuge and the sandhill cranes. If you ever get a chance to get down this way in between October and February, you should stop in and visit with 20,000 sandhill cranes. Pretty impressive, especially in the evening when they fly in. So I'm going to finish up and I'll show you some videos I shot last night as they're coming in at sunset. So see you later, YouTube. See what else I can find down the road.
There's a wave of them over here, yeah. I call them, here comes the locust. Yeah. There's people down there.
Oh, the sunset will be so cool.